If you still haven't updated your tax information, you must watch this video. Today I will show you step by step how to update your tax information in Google AdSense. So let's open the AdSense email and fix it together. So this is the email from Google AdSense. Here you just tap on update tax info. Once you tap it, AdSense will open. And here you can see your last submitted date. Here you just scroll down and tap on submit new form. After that, tap on start new form. Then tap on start form. After that, log in with your email ID to continue. Now in the US tax info section, here select individual if your account belongs to a single person. Then tap on next. After that, it asks, are you a resident of the USA? Here you select no and then tap on next. Now in the W8 tax form section, here you select the first option W8 BEN. Then tap on start W8 BEN form. Now the form will open. After that, here you enter your name and here no need to fill the DBA section. Then select your country. So here I choose India. After that, in the foreign TIN, here you type your PAN card number. Then tap on next. Now in the address section, here you check the box for permanent residence address. Then type your street address, city name, pin code and state. After that, just check the postal address box. Then tap on next. Now in the tax treaty section, here you select the second option. Yes, I am claiming the benefits of a tax treaty. Then scroll down and check the box from here. After that, select your country. Then scroll down. Now check the first box, other copyright royalties. In the article, select Article 12. In the withholding rate, select 15%. Then check the box from here. Next, check the second box, services or other businesses income. In the article, select Article 7. In the withholding rate, select 0%. Then check the box from here. Now check the third box, motion picture and TV. In the article, select Article 12. In the withholding rate, select 15%. Then check the box from here. After that, tap on next. Now in the fourth section, activities and services performed in the US. Here you select no, because I am from India and all my YouTube activities are performed outside the United States. Then check the box from here and tap on next. Now in the paperless and certification section, here you select go paperless and then tap on next. After that, check the confirmation box. Then tap on next. After that, check the first box, which is tax form certification. Then scroll down. After that, in the second box, unchanged status affidavit. Here you do nothing, just scroll down. After that, in the signature section, here you select yes. Then scroll down and tap on submit. Now in the upload proof of residence address section, here you upload any valid document that shows your name and full address. After the upload is complete, tap submit documents. After that, finally tap on got it. Now your tax information is submitted in Google AdSense and the status will show in review. Google AdSense will verify your details and once everything matches, your tax info will be approved within 2 days. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.